Okay, good morning children. I'm your teacher Savita ma'am from Sanskriti school. Yes children, you're looking at me so puzzled. You must be thinking why this teacher is ma'am is wearing a cap and I have kept one umbrella also here children. But you must be wondering why umbrella and cap. I want you to think, tell me when do we use cap? We use cap when we go outside, when it's very hot outside, and umbrella also, not just for rain. Sometimes when it's very hot, mama takes an umbrella. Hello. So what season we are talking about children? Oh, we have spoken it about so many times. We are talking about summer season children, and I will not repeat everything that I told you last time. I know you all remember that how summer season makes us not so good, Anna children. And today children, I want you to think and just look around and tell me when it's summer season, you see that things are changing. You see some changes all around you. Change means what? Something which is different, which looks different. So when you just look around children, what looks different? Yes, just look around when you go outside, of course. But here children, yeah, see, when I look around me, I see children that there are flowers today. Oh my God, these rose flowers. Look here. I can smell them. They are so lovely. The flowers. And here also children, can you see some yellow flowers? Oh, so that means summer season brings lots of flowers. So many different color flower blooms all around, and the trees become so green. Can you look at this green plant? And the big trees also become so green. Wow, that's so lovely, children. And when there are so many different beautiful colorful flowers, who comes near them? Yes, so many birds and butterflies and honeybees come to drink some nectar from the flower. Children, and they just don't drink nectar. They also do something very important for us. But I'm not going to tell you that. That I'll tell you later. So, so many beautiful, happy changes happens around us during the summer season. So, summer is not always about feeling hot and feeling not so good. All these things makes us so happy, children. Hai na? Bachas? Yeah. But there are some changes which are not so happy. So I told you that I told you to do that activity to keep some water outside for the birds. Are you doing it? Yeah. Today I went and I filled my bowl there, children, for the birds. I hope you are also doing it. Please do it, children. So what other changes happens around us? Children, if you remember, when you go to school and you look out of the bus, you see a beautiful lake, Manas Lake near our school, children. So during the summer, you see that the Manas Lake, the water is reducing. First the water was this much and then it is reducing, come hone lagta, pani reduces, children. So why that happens? I'll show you. Children, just think that this is Manas Lake. I can't bring the lake here, right? So this is our Manas Lake, and just assume, children, think that the Manas Lake has so much of water in it. See, Agla, this is full. The Manas Lake is full of water, right? Now, the Mr. Sun comes along and shines very brightly, right? I have a sun also here, children. Just look here. Yeah, see, Mr. Sun is here and Mr. Sun is very ready to shine very brightly. Now, this water, this lake has now so much of water, full of water. Only we use little bit of water. The sun comes along and sucks up all the water. And how does that, and how the water level goes down? Do you want to see, children? Pay attention, bachas, and just be alert and see what happens. Don't look at the sun. You have seen the sun. Now don't see the sun. See what happens to this water. Water will go down and down and down. Be alert, children, okay? And see what happens. Yeah, Mr. Sun. Sorry. Mr. Sun is ready. Oh, children, Water is going down and down and down. Mr. Sun, you are sucking up so much of water. Mr. Sun is saying, I'm here for some more time. So I'm going to suck more water. Oh, the Manas Lake though will have so little water. Let's see what happens after some more days. Okay, children, watch carefully what happens to the water. Oh, Mr. Sun, you have taken so much of water from our lake. Now our lake has so less water. Oh, and children, not just you and me drink water from the lake. There are so many animals also, children. Lakes, and there are in jungle, in jungle and forest, there are small ponds like that. The water level goes down there also. See, there are all these animals comes in search of water, and this is hippo lives in the water only and on the ground also. So all these animals, come in search of water here. Oh, they feel so sad. There is no water. So, but there are some people who take care of these animals also. Their people are there. They go to the forest with big tankers, and they go and fill these water bodies. छोटे जो ponds होते हैं ना, they fill the water again for these animals. Such were lovely people, they take care of our animals also. Wow, let's clap for them. Good job, children. So, say bye to these animals. Animals, you go here. Now, I have to do something very interesting, children, here. Okay, what is it? Do you know? Now, I told you that we feel very thirsty, bachas. And mummy say, teachers say, drink lots of water. But drinking water all the time is not that interesting. So, today we are going to do something, we are going to make something ourselves, children. Sometimes mama don't allow you to come and cook, but you want to do it. Today we are going to do something which you can do on your own, children. What we are going to do? We are going to make something out of this lemon. Lemonade. Yes, children, you are correct. We are going to make lemonade, and you can do it yourself. So, I have, let me pour some water in this glass because we need to make lemonade. Yeah, children, I have poured water in this glass, and then, yes, I have cut lemons into small pieces, children. Ask mama to cut the lemon into small pieces because your hands are so tiny, so small. No, you can't hold big lemon. So mama will cut it into small pieces. Now when she cut it, inside, children, you will see some seeds. Oh wow, the seeds, don't throw them, children. Never throw the seeds away. These seeds, we are going to save these seeds in this bottle. Can you see this bottle? I am putting these 2 seeds in this bottle. And this is our seed bank. What is this? Our seed bank. And we are going to do something with these seeds. I am going to tell that later to you, not now. So, I have a glass of water and I have a piece of lemon, a small piece. I am going to squeeze. What am I going to do? Squeeze. And children, see? Can you see the juice coming down? Such a juicy lemon. Wow. Oh, a seed also has gone down, children. Yeah, a seed was also there. So look here. I'm squeezing it nicely. Lots of juice is coming. Oh, I'm done with the squeezing. Now, children, what will I do? We have to add something to it to make it sweet. What will make it sweet? Of course, sugar. So this is a spoonful of sugar and I am putting 1 spoon sugar in this. Okay, now only sugar? We need something else because children, your body needs during the summer water, sugar and something else white in color. Yes, that is salt, namak. Your body needs it. So I am putting just 1 pinch, not much. We don't need a spoon for that. 1 pinch of salt. And you mix it well. So now children, if you remember during the summertime when you go to school and before it's time for you to come back home, your teachers and your thais get something to you in the trays. They give you something to drink in the glasses. Wow, yes, children, you drink something. What is it? That is ORS. The ORS has water, sugar and salt because you need it during the summer. And so the school thinks that, oh, our children shouldn't go tired home. They must drink. So the school gives you a glass of ORS every day. Yay! We love our school and we love our ties and teachers, because they give you lemonade every day. So this is it. I have mixed it very nicely, children, and I can't see the sugar and salt. It's all gone. Gayab ho gaya hai. Okay. And now it is ready to drink. Ready to drink. So, should I drink? No, children. I don't want to drink. You are not drinking it, and I don't feel like drinking, alone. So, children, you can go and make a glass of lemonade for yourself. But do remember, Mama will cut the lemon for you, and Mama will cut them into small pieces. Then everything else you will do. You only will squeeze the lemon. Don't let Mama do it. Even if it falls into it, it's all right. Do it. This is how you learn. And you make a glass of lemonade for yourself and enjoy that. And once you enjoy that, afterwards I will drink this lemonade. Oh my God, I'm so excited to drink this lemonade, children. Yes. So, that's all for today. We will meet soon, and we will do something interesting like this only next time also. Okay, children? So go and make a glass of lemonade for yourself. Okay, children. Goodbye, my dear.